What's up guys, it's your boy Thurs and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that every time I drop a new video, you're going to be the first ones to know. And if it's not your first time on my channel, thank you for your support. We're on the road to 1K. As you can see right now, I'm with this head right here.
Yo.
My cousin. We in New York, as you could kind of tell by the background, and we about to go shopping, and plus we got to go do some stuff at the Apple store. It is so crazy to see how dead the city is. Like, who would know that a pandemic would shut down the city like this? It's mad dead. So we're in Soho right now. We're looking for some stores. We see Billionaire Boys Club, so we about to check some stuff out, see if we could get some teas and whatnot.
Christian Dior.
So we just went to Billionaire Boys Club. I saw a shirt that I wanted, but I kind of want it, but I kind of don't want it. I might go back because that's the type of person I am.
Nah, we going back.
We gotta go to freaking yeah, and then we're going up to like 33rd Street to Dover Street Market, so I can get my So I sold my other sneakers so I could get the high top ones because I didn't really like the low top ones anymore. So once we get our stuff done in the Apple store, then we're gonna go to 33rd Street. So we came to Supreme and the Supreme store closed. So now we're gonna go back because our appointment's coming up for the Apple store. So we're gonna go to the Apple store and then make our way uptown. I mean, what is it, uptown or downtown? What? I don't know. Make our way to 33rd Street. Right now we're on the way to Dover Street Market. Dude just froze the whole system in the Adidas store. Froze the whole system at the Adidas store, bro. So we went to Dover Street Market. I forgot, and then I got what I needed in my bag. So we're in Times Square right now. Look how dead Times Square is, bro. Imagine how Times Square was. You could be walking right now, hitting like 20 people, like boom, 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 and now it's just empty as hell.
So you littering right now?
I'm not littering. So I got my food. love BBQs.
Yeah. Nothing.
It's starting to get real hot, so we're about to go home.
My feet hurt.
Yeah, my feet hurt too. We had a good day. It was a really good day. Although I didn't find that much stuff, but it was a real good day.
This stop is 14th Street.
Alright, so I just got off the train. I just got off the train and got on the bus home, and it's starting to rain. Mind you, I have no umbrella, no jacket, and I'm walking so fast because one, I'm hungry, and two, I'm not trying to get caught in this pouring rain. But today was such a good day. I had a great time. Although my feet hurt because I walked all the way from like next to World Trade Center all the way up to like by the Empire State Building. Then we went to Times Square, got food, bought a couple stuff, had a good day today. But as you already know, if you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video to anybody you know. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And once again, it's your boy Ted signing out. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.